Welcome back. In our last episode, we looked at Dock as an infrastructure. Today, we are going under the hood to see how that infrastructure actually works. It all starts with a simple idea. Your dispatch system and your drone fleet should talk in the same language. This is Irving from DJI Enterprise. Today, let's deep dive. When an alarm pops up in your CAD sends a webhook to FlyHub 2. This turns a static alert into a live flight ticket. FlyHub 2 analyzes the environment, battery level, distance, and weather to rank the best available docks. Once you confirm, the drone dispatches automatically with the pre-programmed altitude setting. But remember, human judgment always above the machine. We follow a human-in-the-loop principle, meaning a pilot confirms before takeoff, and he can pause the mission at any moment. Once the drone is up, the live feed needs to get to the right people. We've made the live feed accessible for every role who need it. For pilots, a web-based virtual cockpit for full situational awareness. For operations center, a video dashboard built for the large-scale operations. For command center, FlyHub 2 can either push RTMP feeds to a designated address or host RTSP for your VMS2 pool. This puts your drone video right next to your fixed CCTV, creating a unified operating picture. For ground team, simply scan a QR code to see the live view on any mobile device. Flying in urban environment requires precision. FlyHub 2 preloads 3D terrain and custom flight area. The drone syncs those data before every takeoff, automatically slowing down near restricted areas or bypass obstacle in its own path. For airspace awareness, we integrate DJI AirSense and third-party traffic like SafeSky. You define the warning range, blue, yellow, and red. If a manned aircraft enters your perimeter, you will see it on your map and a visual alerts immediately. It's all about having the total situational awareness, making sure you never fly blind. Once the drone arrives on scene, it instantly captures preset photo, panorama, video. Just do as you planned. During the intense missions, pilot attention is a very limited resource. That's why our onboard AI steps in. It auto-detects people, cars, and boats, allowing for a one-click smart track. Looking for something specific? Multi-modal search lets you to type red car to find the targets in seconds. This intelligence doesn't stay logged in the platform. Through Event API, FlyHub 2 can automatically populate a digital evidence log or even WhatsApp notification. When the mission is over, FlyHub Sync eliminates manual transfers, automatically syncs to your private storage like AWS S3. This removes the headache of manual data management. Pilots no longer need to travel on-site for SD card swaps or spend hours downloading the massive file. Once configured, the sync happens entirely in the background. The drone lands, the dock charges, and the entire mission is archived for instant playback. Auto-dispatch, live sharing, safe flight, AI tracking, and secure sync, all handled seamlessly. Besides, FlyHub 2 is also ready for a single sign-on integration, telemetry sync via MQTT bridge. Our goal is to provide an easy-to-integrate puzzle, help you to integrate DFR in your current workflow. Now you have seen how the technology works. In our final episode, we will show you how it performs in the real world. We will hear from the global customers, talk about their real-world DFR journey, and we will tackle the tough question on reliability and IT security. See you there!